Greetings, nature enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring an intriguing application of bioacoustics. Our adventure takes us into the heart of India's Western Ghats, where we'll be exploring an emerging application of bioacoustics that is revolutionizing our understanding of forest health and recovery. So let's listen up and see what the forest has to say. Nestled along the western coast of India, the Western Ghats are not just a biodiversity hotspot, but also a symphony of natural sounds. Here, scientists are capturing these sounds and analyzing them using bioacoustics, providing a non-intrusive way to monitor and assess the health of these vibrant ecosystems. It's called passive acoustic monitoring. Researchers strategically place audio recorders throughout the forest in order to capture a continuous stream of sounds, from the quietest insect to the loudest bird. A recent study using passive acoustic monitoring compared sites where forests are being actively restored to forests that are untouched. 13 undergoing natural regeneration and 16 pristine areas. The results were clear. The restored sites not only had more bird species, but also showed a richness in biodiversity similar to undisturbed forests, highlighting the restoration success. Each area offers its own unique acoustic signature. This signature fluctuates depending on a range of factors, everything from the specific time of day to the season of the year. Through sophisticated algorithms and machine learning, scientists can quickly sift through thousands of hours of recordings to identify and classify the calls of all the different species. What's truly astonishing is the volume of data in a short 15-second clip. Detecting the presence of up to 15 species of birds. So this method is not only efficient, but it can also be incredibly precise. Another area it really shines is with nocturnal animals, which can now be studied with very little interference, shedding light on these elusive species that normally are nearly impossible to monitor. While birds often steal the spotlight in bioacoustic studies, insects often play a much larger and overlooked role. In an average square mile of rainforest, there are roughly 400 species of birds. And in that same square mile of rainforest, there can be upwards of 50,000 different species of insects, showing these tiny creatures play a critical role in the ecosystem. Studying insects acoustically is challenging due to their sheer diversity and subtlety of their sounds. Yet understanding their vocalizations is crucial for a complete picture of the ecosystem. Despite some hurdles, like equipment damage during harsh weather, or the clever mimicry of certain birds that confuse sensors, the field of bioacoustics is a groundbreaking tool in conservation science. The sonic landscape of the Western Ghats reveals just how powerful listening can be. It's a reminder that every sound in a forest is a voice in the chorus of life. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the sounds of nature and want to hear more about how technology is helping us protect and restore the planet, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss anything new on the fountain of random knowledge. Until then, remember, the wonder is out there. We just have to be looking for it.